Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your second chance at a new beginning. I'm proud to bring to you, from the soul of myself, your spirit and mine, Native
cause I can't sleep. When I'm hanging with my crew, best believe we're deep. Throw your hands in the air if you're getting drunk, and roll me up a fat blunt of that native funk. Roll me up a Philly blunt of that native funk. Roll me up a Philly blunt of that native funk. Roll me up a Philly blunt of that native funk. Turn your system up and let J-Mo bump your trunk. Roll me up a Philly blunt of that native funk. Roll me up a Philly blunt of that native funk. Roll me up a Philly blunt of that native funk. Turn your system up and let J-Mo bump your trunk. Motown! Born in a city of crazy, my mind is hazy and daisy. Rest in peace, mother and father. I thank God that you made me. Sometimes I wish I was flipping. Shit on my tongue, no I'm tripping. Eyes are getting bloodshot, cause my homie keeps splitting. Feeling funky like a drunkie, cause I gotta get my smoke on. Grab a Philly blunt, some in the smoke to make my choke strong. Juicy with my Uzi, cause I have no time to worry. Temperature in my head is rising. Eyes are getting blurry from the dope. It's time to cope. I twist the cap and clear my throat out at the party. Steady drinking till my stomach starts to bloat. I wanna float just like a ghost. You wanna share, give me the most. Don't at my shows, give me respect. And when I'm rich, we'll have a toast. Thinking one for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go solo. One for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go solo. One for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go solo. One for the money, two for the show. Three to get ready, J-Mo, kick that flow. Can I kick that flow? Go ahead and kick that flow. Cause I'm the J to the A-Y-M-O. Really though, man, wearing bustles on my back since the age of 11. Pocket gets swelling, giving much more to my parents who gave me life. To you in heaven, in return I got a baby. For supporting all the fans with my music, make them famous, baby. Watch my clock go tick-tock, moving back and forth, are you hypnotized? What would make you realize? A quick journey down Highwood, playing hacky in the mud, putting piping on the buzz. Puff puff, give you little rat, okie dokie. Spend my Fridays at the studio, no time for karaoke. Hokey pokey, this room is getting smoky. My style so sweet on the platinum beat, so call me Mr. Bokey. One for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go so slow. One for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go so slow. One for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go so slow. One for the money, two for the show. Three to get ready, J-Mo, kick that flow. Hey ya, why don't you play ya some of that crazy clan shit so I can start my day? It's been a while since I bought onto that soundproof Buddha site. I'm always on the mic because I'm too damn high. What you thought you had me caught, fellas? I'm just too tight. Too suave is what your hoes are thinking tonight. My name is James Lowry, straight from the DET, just like you PACs. Hope keep their eyes on me. So what you saying? I'm saying that I have never seen a evil eye. Pretty little Lord to help me, got a better life forever. Try to come with the Unabomber or loony like Jeffrey Dahmer. A bust that ass for disrespect. If you do, I'll be much calmer. But reverend like yo Evo, tell the truth, no need to lie. Everybody knows damn well they're scared to die. One for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go so slow. One for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go so slow. One for the money, two for the show. Twisted my mind like Gene and Lime, felt I should go so slow. One for the money, two for the show. You say you wanna get your stroll on, for certain you get my flow on. Brought your phone call in my face, may I prefer some roll on. Hoochie groupie, bet you Lucy, and never do she got your legs wide open in the back of that cheesy dookie. Come on, some young guy is what you're yearning. I bet you're burning, starving babies in the ghetto, but you feel that you're still learning. No street smart, just a victim of reality, running from insanity. Trapped here in this memory, can you feel me? I'm just a native smoking peyote with Mr. Bones, bobbing my head to home sweet home. ROC just got his roll on, Hayden got his smoke on. Homies in the pen that I haven't seen for so long.
Is this shit real? That's what people whack me. Is this shit real? That's what people whack me every day. Is this shit real? That's what people whack me every day. Time keep on turning. Is this shit real? That's what people whack me. Is this shit real? That's what people whack me every day. Is this shit real? That's what people whack me every day. Time keep on turning.
If it's really real, then tell me how you feel. This native on the heel has some rhymes for you to steal. I have one hand in my pocket like Atlantis, more set pocket balls and droopy drawers as I enter my bed. yo, slates on the corner after work to grab our photo. Ho, let me kick a little game to ya. I'm not really famous, but I always entertain for ya. Free as a bird that flies me out on stage. Audience in a rage because you bump J-Mo for days. Shout on my ride, woman on my left, doing shows by myself, so I really have no time left for your penny ante hoes. Where you going? Always showing money in your pocket cause you did some hoes.
Is this shit real? That's what people ask me. Is this shit real? That's what people ask me every day. Is this shit real? That's what people ask me every day. Time keeps on turning. Is this shit real? That's what people ask me. Is this shit real? That's what people ask me every day. Is this shit real? That's what people ask me every day. Time keeps on turning.
What can I tell ya? A little thing or two. This native funk is in my system, but I thought you knew. Mad skills is what I'm giving. Won't play that because I'm living. Keep my lyrics on a reel like a pimp to living women. Hey ho, where you going? Listen to me as I speak. Always tripping, I bet my knowledge can't control your leak. Your leak is what I'm searching for like a plumber. Funky drummer, I'ma kick this flow for you and your mama. Oh no, I trip stupid cross, I cross stupid Prius. Let me look on my list and see whose head I'm gonna twist. I'm pissed. J-Mo's native funk will always go up. Crowd change with time, I let your mind.
Hold up, y'all. For this next motherfucking track, I'ma smoke to this. Cause this got my homeboy JD the weed, man, y'all. Back to that motherfucker he used to interview motherfuckers before you even get a sack.
I got a beat, man. Get out the bathroom.
So I recorded that shit way back then.
Saw this nigga do.
And here it go right now. Check this out.
All damn day.
TPs are used for dressing up in deer skin or laying your head on some titties that's attached to your squad friend. Fishes cooking pipers packed with peyote. Now everybody in the village wanna know me. Okie dokie, my name is J-Mo. Who you rapping with? The Crazy Clan.
Then who the hell is Native Funk?
My inner self, man.
How can one change from simply painting the face?
Cause when my spirit feels the colors, people all get amazed.
When did it start?
When I was younger at the age of 6, power dancing, making money to buy some cartoon portal flicks.
That's when it started.
Ain't that what I just said? Don't make me burn to Native Funk and beat you blue and red.
Just one more question.
Make it quick.
Who makes the natives beats?
Like how J-Ho, my voice, so and also known as ROC. This has been a paid interview, courtesy of your mama.
Can I get a 10-4 out there, Buckaroo? We got a rich, skinny little motherfucker out there scalping folks, and we're gonna have to bring him in. So check out this description. Native Funk, born and raised on Detroit's east side. Now that's east side. Now he is a certified member of the Lumbee tribe out of the state of North Carolina. That is North Carolina. Now be conscious because this subject is armed with words. Now he has words that may cause all races of life to join as one. Now did you hear me? Now the subject is armed. He is armed with words.
Who wants to take a journey on my reservation? Detroit city streets where we're full of confrontation. Rat racing to get rich off of free money scheme. Everybody chasing after their dreams. Sometimes I catch myself asking God to leave me a clue what to do with my life before my body turns blue. Thought you knew about the native farm feathers and all, but why's the belly belching, baby? Give me a call. Feeling crazy, come and shave me and I'll scalp your back. Moonlight walking steady, talking to some smacking her neck. I get respect everywhere that I go. Thanks to my time on hard peyote, and don't forget my bow and arrow. Bottom of the barrel liquor got me all tripped out. Fire water keep me jumping when the mic's in my mouth. Thought you knew me, crazy, loony, funky native I be. Why don't you come and hang out in my epic city? Native Funk's taking over the world. Everybody run, everybody run. Cloning images of boys and girls. Everybody run, everybody run. Realize exactly what you're facing. Everybody run, everybody run. Dream catchers in your rear view, swarming the nation. Now we are as one, now we are as one. Verse 2, I thought you knew what you gonna do if every tribe came together. That would make us all a crew. Peace like for the whole nation. Ceremony, TV party for relaxation. Meditation, hand in hand, you know we stand together with fall. Before you rap, you must crawl. I mean it, y'all. I'm sick and tired of being inspired. Sons from the rain is bringing the pain for being in mine. Medicine, will, emotions for colors of man. Representing for my people so they know who I am. J-Mo from the Crazy Clan, what got me known. Native Funk is my clone, so now it's down. Everybody say booyah, baby, booyah, baby, booyah, baby. Everybody say booyah, baby, booyah, baby, booyah. rage with rage. Turn the page and watch us open up an Indian grave. You be amazed at what you find in there. Living things that'll make it come in there. You can't run away. Will you see another day? How much would you pay to hit rewind and press play for the native funk that you're hearing now? Everybody going wild for the spiritual child. Running through the woods, something no good. Tripping on them peyote just like an Indian should. Motherfucker, make a move, I guarantee you'll be the last thing you do. When you're messing with my tribe, I'm in my crew. It's all cool, words of wisdom from an engine. War paint on your face now, everybody twitching. Listen to the anger coming from the Mother Earth. Take a stand before your spirit gets hurt. 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 Native Funk's taking over the world. Everybody run, everybody run. Cloning images of boys and girls. Everybody run, everybody run. Realize exactly what you're facing. Everybody run, everybody run. Dream catchers in your rear view, swarming the nation. Now we are as one, now we are as one. Native Funk's taking over the world. Everybody run, everybody run. Cloning images of boys and girls. Everybody run, everybody run. Realize exactly what you're facing. Everybody run, everybody run. Dream catchers in your rear view, swarming the nation. Now we are as one, now we are as one. Come on, 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 come on. I'm taking over the world. Can you see me with the help of every race that you see on your TV screen? Join your hands together, tie them up with Sicilian leather, and let's march for a long lost dream. What does it seem like everybody trying to hold me down? The first native kicking flavor with the Detroit sound, killing my trees like enemies, poisoning my rivers while I'm chilling with Socrates. Just to make a profit, can't you see? You living greedy, plant a tree for ethnicity, so you and me can breathe through eternity. You live like it's one man generation, form you into a clan, join together and take over this land. To all my people, if you're with me, raise your hands and say yo. If you're not, you need to stop, cause you weren't born to roll. I'm on a stroll, searching for a tribe of many colors. In God's eyes, we all one, don't need to kill each other, brother. Why the world keep turning like this? How long we gotta let everyone exist? Why the world keep turning like this? How long we gotta let everyone exist? Why the world keep turning like this? How long we gotta let everyone exist? Why the world keep turning like this? How long we gotta let everyone exist? Take me hand in hand, cultures of all lands. Another call for a plan, staying tall with my man J-Mo from Reno, in Detroit will expand. Minds and rhymes, finding time will span. Global, so those people can reach an equal world to rebuild. That this again, C-Veil. Stop the violence is a must, greed and lust. Feed and tell you buzz. Stop living corrupt. Anyways, to another day, I'm bothered by the hate over a colorful face. Worse than the hurting of a race. We're bursting at this grade. It's 99 a day. Figure the world's ending if we don't mend in our ways. All threaten to surrender. It's time for the mentor. Brandon this clever lecture to make things better. We're all God's members. Never ever say never. We all in this together forever. Why the world keep turning like this? How long gotta let everyone exist? Why the world keep turning like this? How long gotta let everyone exist? Why the world keep turning like this? How long gotta let everyone exist? Why the world keep turning like this? How long gotta let everyone exist?
When it stops, nobody would know. When it stops, where will we all go? When it stops, nobody would know. When it stops, where will we all go?
It's a shame how you keep walking the earth with your eyes closed. Only true spirits know the road that should be chose. I'm on a different level trying to live my life in peace. So I'ma teach every soul that my words can reach.
Reach the words that we speak through these city streets. Steadily flowing with the beat, with melody and poetry me. I always keep my hands out for anybody to reach. About time everybody gets back on their feet.
You must defeat everything that makes your mind incomplete. Journeys last forever, but your time is obsolete. Pattern rooms of jail cells ain't no different from hell. I turn the tap to make them labels so my families won't fail.
All my boys in Detroit fail in jail cells as I yell to myself, are we living in hell? Is it real when we fail? When I hear the funeral bells, my rhymes will still tell where angels getting fever.
Put your head in that guillotine. I ate this in my duffel bag. Wig splitter. I'm chopping heads, scalping yo. Watch your back. Damn.
The native folks teaming up with two half-breeding mad scientists. Time to make the whole world piss. We got the syringe filled up with the virus. Rattlesnake venom just to ease you off the riders. Who's gonna be the first one to lay their head down in the guillotine? Chop, swing, chop, chop, swing. Native folks in it for the scout souls, in it for the brain. Scrouts is here to watch you suffer in pain. Now freeze, everybody wait a minute. 8 hands in a duffel bag with the wig split. Got a portable guillotine from J-Ho is a gift. Where your crazy clone cap or your head will roll, bitch. One little Indian, black and white half-breed. All heaven need to plant a seed for the greed. Cutting that part off your body where your dreams are made up. Guillotine head hunting's what we love. I won't shed my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shed my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shed my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shed my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket.
Here comes the head rounding the corner before the body talking roddy words curve into my cortex. Analyze them as a threat. Feel the cold steel up on your neck and slice for the Rolex. Your best to eject like tapes, nigga. Be gone from the scene. Serene feelings take hold of your body. What does it mean? You seen 10 seconds of mass pain as your body lays slain. 2 feet bloody streets, cracks, leaks, nothing but heat from the sweeper pump action. The cracking that you hear is your neck being broke. Decapitation, you choke on every note. So close to escape, to investigate. The date's moving further away. I'm out of reach, but in your shit, hit the chick, the pow guillotine cuttings. Now the hairs bobbing to everything I bring. Soul making beats that splatter all within range of brain waves that matter only to me.
I won't shed my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shed my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shed my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shed my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket.
I grips the rope, but I'm about to let it go. Lay your head in the guillotine and it's off with your head, bro. I ain't playing, so turn all your fucking cameras on. Shrinking heads like we the tribes of the Amazon. But I got more funk than Warren G, and the virus comes with a lifetime warranty. I get wicked in this bitch and show you what we made of. Happy running rampant with the motherfucking native. Like always, we put on the war paint and we ready. I packs a syringe and J-Mo got the machete. Slicing your bitches and we gunning right at your neck. Draining all the reason, plugging your veins. I inject the toxic chemicals, so be ready for your demise. The mother to will kill your blood pouring from my eyes. And fuck that, ain't nobody worth making a mess. Stick a pull up their ass out their mouth and let them rest, y'all.
I won't shut my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shut my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shut my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. I won't shut my eyes till you're trapped in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. Native funk won't shut his eyes till you're in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. My boy soul won't shut his eyes till you're in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. My nigga Straps won't shut his eyes till you're in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. Everybody don't shut their eyes till you're in the guillotine. Fuck it, listen till your head fall in the bucket. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Put your head in the guillotine. Put your head in the guillotine. Come on, come on, put your head in the guillotine. Put your head in the guillotine.
Y'all ever smoke weed? Take you a big hit. Y'all ever take your mind to another place? You better inhale that shit. Look at me, look at me. Come into my state of mind.
Yo, Detroit City, can you hear me? That's where my tribe be token. Baggies fill the lake from all the heli and no smoking when I'm hanging with the Dago. I always feel the same, I get much love, smoking bust, so often no one hears the blame. My life is catching up behind me. I think I should slow down, don't fall around, go for your pound. Listen, well, look how Eric Ray was from. No need for squatch up imitations. I like trick with what relations. Ladies belly kept on growing cause we made a new creation. Foggy time on Coca-Cola, Instagram, just like my yellow. I ain't dissing steady, dissing drinking much with all the fellas. Feeling crazy, I just daisy, tell me where the hell's my plan. I ain't cushion steady, rushing to make this nation fucking expand. I've been waiting all night long to get in this state of mind. I've been waiting
crazy. Frustrations on my mind, you can't amaze me. Don't let me trip because my family got a life on themselves. Only good help to make that one to keep some food on the shelf. This land is your land, this land is my land. Another tall tale from the Ku Klux Klan. Shit don't fake me, so I drop it, grab the mic and start the rocket. Want an arrow through your chest? Should I grab my heat and cock it? Booyah, booyah. Who was once here is now gone. Meanwhile, the jam was here to turn you on to this native funk, drinking for the Coca-Cola, jiggle off. I am the top of the punk. Screaming one, crazy Indian. Grab your pen and let's begin. Could I hit the gin? One crazy Indian. Grab your pen and let's begin.
Yeah, what up? It be that crazy Cherokee Indian. Strict down up in this bitch representing for the native funk. You know what I'm saying? It's not that hard. Can you feel it? Yeah, baby.
I've been waiting all night long to get in this state of mind. I've been waiting all night long to get in this state of mind. Feel the funk, I'm kinda drunk. You better have some Helly J Mo rhymes seeping out your trunk. Welcome to my powerful one hand up in the say how that tickle from my ego feather make the women go out. Hoopah, hoopah. No time for stalling, but naked squads in my TP keep on calling. Do you wanna hear the Coca-Cola play on his flute for you today? J-Lo, may I? Yes, you may. Cuddle with me under the bed, hide and go all the way. Some people say I'm an engine, cause I purr like a kitten. So here I go, I hit them girls that begin. Send you on myself, funky wishing. They let me flow so I can show you exactly what I wanna do. Rough and rugged and rough. You ever love like my jump up? This beats are too damn tough, alright. Yeah, this beats are too damn tough, alright. Yeah, this beats are too damn tough, alright. Yeah, native form. This beats are too damn tough, come on. I've been waiting all night long to get in this state of mind. I've been waiting all night long to get in this state of mind. I've been waiting all night long to get in this state of mind. I've been waiting all night long to get in this state of mind. I've been waiting all night long. I've been waiting all night long. I've been waiting all night long. Since you went away, I've been looking for you. Let the rain keep falling, y'all. Let the rain keep falling, y'all. Since you went away, I've been looking for you. Let the rain keep falling, y'all. Let the rain keep falling. Rain from the sun, the moment of truth had just begun. Them Indian drums keep me sprung up, feeling hung as I stroll through my neighborhood streets. Nobody can teach what my daddy didn't already preach. Moms passed away at a young age. Sister in the early grave. Homies in the hood slowly fade away. I'm going back in time. I'm going back in time. Before I had this crazy mind, no medication. I'm too cool for free bass and cordless mics. Give me relaxation every time my spirit steps on stage. See the white in your eye, communicating with the person on the other side. Let it ride as your conscience runs free. I asked you once before, do you believe? Let it ride as your conscience runs free. I asked you once before, do you believe? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sun? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sun? When the rain comes down, when the rain comes down, when the rain comes down, down.
When the rain comes down, when it comes down.
When the rain comes down, when the rain comes down, when the rain comes
amazed if I told you how my life got saved. In a race to get paid, working hard for the grade. Slang town's the only thing that pulled me out from the shade. I'm feeling half complete as I walk through my ghetto street. My lady says I'm crazy cause there's so much to work and teach. I'm struggling for loving, so the doors will stay open. Always coping with life in general, that's why I stay focused. We got beautiful women dying of cancer. Amputation of the spirit and mind, that ain't the answer.
Lois, I love you, I'll always wonder why. Lois, I love you, I try not to cry.
Now let me feel it, the brain that is, let me spit this. J-Mo, let me rip this, now get serious.
When the rain comes down, when the rain comes down.
I'ma put on my hood and cover up the whole town with the native funk coming through your hood as we stomp. The sun that's raining down, you acting like a chump. Raise your hand to the sky, now where is it coming from?
Can you feel the rain from the sun? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sun? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sun? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sun?
Now that was some old shit there. Now pass that pipe.
Hold on, fool.
Many motherfucking moons ago, squads from all over followed the rivers and streams to the drum sound of the native funk, just to get an earful of the spiritual child's wisdom. Once appearing upon the reservation with high hopes of guidance, they realized what was actually going on was a rum-shaking, back-breaking, peyote-smoking, feather-tickling fuck fest. Whoa! Whoa!